Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on an iPod video. The process is more or less the same for the iPods before the iPod videos. The idea came from the fact that I see loads of services being advertised on eBay charging £20, £25 when the battery only costs a few pounds and it's very easy to replace. You just have to be careful, so you need to, if you do this yourself, you need to just follow this video, but you know, assume responsibility for this. If you never not very good at DIY, maybe you should leave this. But anyway, I'm going to show you. So what you have here is a standard 30 gig iPod video, which needs a new battery. I've ordered this on eBay for a couple of pounds. So we've got a battery here with a connector. This is for an iPod video battery, and it comes with one of these. Well, they normally come with two of these. Okay, I only have one, but sometimes it's quite useful to have the two because they break, and sometimes it's easier to have two of them to open. Let me just put this here and I'll show you. Okay, so first of all you need to try and find a spot here somewhere where you can put the tool. As you can see, the tool is a very curvy shape. Don't try this with a knife because it will mark and damage the casing. So I'll try and find a space. Sometimes it can be very hard, but what you could do is sometimes, especially in the corners, it's easier, and keep trying. Sometimes it takes some time to do this. Let's try the other side. Okay, so you heard the click. Now I'm going to, as you can see now, it's beginning to open. So I'm going to, if I only had one, well, I only have one tool, but if I had if it was really tight, I would put one here, right, stuck here, and then I will with another one go around the thing, the iPod. So now, as you can see, it's all coming off now. Okay, so I moved this sideways, and if I quickly show you, can you see the battery looks quite old? So it's attached here and it comes off very easily just by putting it like this. Okay, so you have to remember there's a metal thing on this side, so you'll have to be facing, when you put it back, the drive here. This is the drive, okay, which I'm planning to do some later video podcasts of the iPod, so how to replace the hard drive and how to replace the screen if you've got it smashed, and the logic board as well that's under here. We'll cover that all in here. It's best if we just leave the drive as it is now. Okay, I've got here my replacement battery. So as you can see here, I've got the things I mentioned. So the battery, as you can see, is here. So I'm going to put the camera down so you can see properly. It's very simple. I'm amazed that all these charged iPod repairs, what everyone is charging for such an easy, basically very easy task. So you probably sometimes, so you push it, and then with the other finger pull it down, and you'll know when it's down. That's it, it's down, and the battery's back. Now very slowly on a flat surface, and you push it down, Okay, it clicked on one side, so it's closed on this side here, but I'm still going to press it slowly, not too much, not to damage the screen, and the front here. So now, as you can see, it's all nicely closed. Sometimes what happens, it doesn't go back in properly. But if you keep doing this and slowly pushing it back into position, it will close properly, and you probably have to do that all the way around. Okay, now if we turn it back on, and the iPod's back, it's alive again, so it will obviously need charging. And so is my iPod back with a so I saved myself, some repairers are charging £30, so I'll be releasing some more podcasts on more iPod work, so please don't hesitate if you want me to cover something in particular. Thank you for now.